Hi friends, I am Elish Misra, Faculty of Economy, and I have been teaching economy from last 18 years. And during that period, I came across a lot of students, thousands of students, and as well as before pandemic period, we have been a busy schedule. But even after that, we just visited from every state, from different cities of the country for the teaching purpose like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad. So I got a lot of experience, and during the period I came across a lot of brilliant students. So apart from my own experiences, I also learned a lot of things from you people. So now today, this pandemic has given opportunity to be interacted with you, and that's why I have planned to share my knowledge of economy with you with the competitive point of view. Generally, we continue to teach for civil services, but nowadays I have seen that many state government of our country, like Punjab state government, UP state government, and many others, have adopted the similar pattern of UPSC. So it's a nice chance and good opportunity for all of you to prepare for UPSC, and the preparation of UPSC will give you the chance to be appear in the state examination also. So simultaneously you can prepare for the both the examination, and this will be beneficial for all of you. As far as the strategy of this exam is concerned, you must know that there is no fixed track for that. Though many aspirants, those who have been already selected, they are sharing their views, they are sharing their experiences that they have done this and that, but there is no fixed track. It is up to you in what way you are planning yourself, and what strategy you are going to be adopted. It is up to you how much time you have. So it may differ from person to person. So you will decide accordingly what to do. But one thing is quite clear, that you will have to be disciplined. Your study must be in a consistent manner. Regularly you will have to uh, be involved in the study. You will have to do something. You will have to give at least 1 to 2 hours to read the daily newspapers. That play a vital role. Reading newspaper is inevitable for this examination. So in this way, we have planned in such a way the entire syllabus, to cover up the entire syllabus with an objective in a foolproof manner to crack the examination. And I can hope that whatever we have planned, whatever we have delivered through the video, if you will follow it, certainly will get benefited. So my best wishes to all of you, and thanks to all of you.